Hi everyone, Namaste, welcome back to my channel, and today I am going to unbox, as you can see from the title, guess what box for the month of September. And I received this really huge package. You can see it's so huge and I'm so excited to open this up and see what goodies I got this time in this box. Alright, so this is the box. Like inside the box I can see a bag which is like really cute one. Oh my god, this is such a cute bag. Look how cute the bag is, and wow, I love the bag. It's really cute, and I love the color as well. It's really nice. So let's just open and see what are the things I got inside this bag. Oh my god, I'm loving the bag, and it does have like a small little pouch as well here, and yeah, and this cute little emoji keyring, which is really nice. I really love it. The bag and the pouch, it has a pocket over here as well. It's really nice bag. I would definitely see myself carrying this bag a lot because it's so cute. And yeah, so let's just open this up and see what products I got. All right, I see lots of goodies which are again in a smaller bag, which is here. Let's just open it and see what are the things I have. Alright, so the very first thing I can see is by JP. It's for the fruit infuser bottle. Oh, that's really cool. So I don't know, my phone just stopped working in between. I don't know what just happened, and the tripod is really flimsy, so it's just getting down. So anyways, so the very first thing I got in this bag is this is a JP fruit infuser, and I really don't have this kind of thing in my kitchen, so I would be definitely drinking some fruit infused water, which is really good. Actually, it's very detoxifying, so definitely will be giving it a try. Let me just see how it is. Alright, so this is how the fruit infuser bottle looks like. I can just put some slices of apple or some oranges and then water, and then I can drink the water like whole day, fruit infused water, which is really cool. And this bottle retails for 165 Indian rupees. Alright, so the next thing I can see is by Mirabelle. It's a jasmine face spray. It's basically like normal facial mist to just rejuvenate and refresh your skin, and the amount of product I'm getting here is 100 ml of product, and this one retails for 295 Indian rupees. Alright, then I see another spray, and this is also by the same brand, Mirabelle, I don't know how you pronounce it. This is lavender manduka parni anti-hair fall spray. Oh, that's really unique thing. I haven't heard anything like that, like anti-hair fall spray. We'll definitely give it a try, and I will ask Harry to try as well because he also like faces lots of hair loss problem. This one retails for 354 Indian rupees, and again this is 100 ml of product. So those were the like sprays. Now let's just come to another product. Oh, I have few treats which they always send to try, and this is a Lotto Choco Pie. I don't have like sweet tooth, so these kind of things don't excite me. So definitely Harry will be having these because he loves these kind of food. Then I see, okay, what it is exactly. It's like a cute little basket. Look how pretty it is. Like, it's a so pretty thing to gift someone something. Definitely we'll be using this thing to gift something to someone. I'm just gonna open it and see what is inside it. Ooh. Oh, it's like a pendant. It's like a pendant, and you can see there's like an elephant and a mirror here. It's like a really nice pendant to wear with your kurtis, and Navratri is coming, so you can just style this on Navratri as well. It can also be worn as a tika, mang tika, I don't know, but really pretty and unique pendant it is, and it also comes with a pair of earrings, which are these little cute little pair of earrings. Really nice, really pretty. Let me just wear it. They're like really pretty, and they're very like a subtle jewelry for Navratri, I would say. If you don't want to like be in, you know, Navratri feel full on, you can just wear this pendant and these earrings and you're good to go, like with a nice, really nice multicolored kurti. Yeah, anyways, let's just check out what else I got. Again, a cute little basket, similar stuff. These are really cool. I think these are very good to gift something to someone. And inside I can see a lipstick, makeup, yay. So this is by the brand called Steel, and this is color change lipstick. That's unique. That's cool basically. So let's just check out. Okay, so I got the shade 02. Ooh, it's like a transparent lipstick. I think I know what kind of lipstick is this. It will turn pink, what I think. So I'm just gonna swatch it and see कि ये कौन से color में convert होता है. So here is the swatch. I really don't know whether you can see it, but after some time this will get really dark. This can be like a really nice lipstick just to, you know, stain your lips. If you don't want to wear makeup, just wear this because it will give you a very nice like stained lip look. So these kind of lipstick are really good for that. I'm just gonna wait and I'll show you how the color looks like. And now let's just move on to another product. And I really don't know the prices of the earring and pendant and the lipstick because it's not mentioned anywhere, and I can't see any info card as well. I can't even tell you the price of the bag as well, which is like really cute. Anyways, so the next thing I can see is a pen. It's a minion pen. Okay, so it's like a cute little minion pen. It's going in my kitchen because sometimes I really have to write something जो कि खत्म हो रहा होता है किचन में, and कई बार किचन में पेन नहीं होता, so I think I'm just gonna keep it in my kitchen. And yeah, okay, so the next thing I can see is it's a notebook. It's a notebook, and I think I can see info cards as well. I don't know whether they are info cards for the box or it's something else. Let's just check out the info cards first. Okay, so this is like info card of the notebook, not of the box. So this is by the brand called Mad Over Print. This is the notebook. It's really pretty. I really love the color. It's matching my shirt, and it says life happens, coffee helps. It should be tea in my case. Anyways, and it's like a blank notebook. I think it's a very nice notebook to keep it on your coffee table with a pen just to write something. So it's a really cool notebook. Again, can't tell you the price because it's not written anywhere. Then I see a t-shirt, and this is the t-shirt. This is pink in color and it's in the size large. I think it would be very big for me because sometimes I wear small. Definitely a very big size for me. You can see it's very big for me, but I think I can carry it out. Like it can be like a really nice baggy, what do you call, baggy shirt. Yeah, it's really nice pink with some sequined star here. It's not changeable. I just tried it. It's not changeable, so it's just black. Because kabhi, you know, I have a cushion that color change karta hai, just like this. Oh, I thought ki shayad wahi hoga, but it's not changing. So it's like a regular pink top. I really like the color actually. I really like the color, and a nice oversized t-shirt. So that's the t-shirt, and let's just see what else I'm left with. Okay, I'm left with one last product. This is a nail paint, and this is by Avon. It's a very pretty duochrome nail paint. It is like a indigo color, I would say, with some really nice sheen going on. And this retails for, okay, I really can't see the price, so I really can't tell you the price of this nail paint. But yeah, that was it for guess what box for the month of September. And I love it, especially I love the bag, I love the t-shirt. I'm excited about this jewelry piece as well, and of course these because they're really nice gifting items to gift someone. And also the infuser bottle. Yeah, so it was a pretty nice box. I'm most excited about the bag and the t-shirt. So I just forgot to show you the color of the lipstick. So this is how the lipstick looks like. It's more pink, and so it can be like a really good stain for your lips. You know, if you don't want to wear makeup, just wear this and you're good to go. So that was it for guess what box for the month of September. I hope you liked the unboxing, and all the details of this box will be in the description box. Go and check it out, and if you like it, then subscribe it for yourself. And if you're watching me for the first time, then please do hit the subscribe button, help me grow, and I will see you guys in my next video. Till then, stay beautiful and stay healthy.